Installing the AC power cable. Check that the two DC switches are off. Connect a ground cable to the PV side ground point. Crimp the OT terminal using hydraulic pliers. Open the maintenance compartment door. Keep the door open with the support bar. Remove the AC terminal cover and save it for later use. Remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the AC output power cable. Loosen the cable gland. Route cables through the cable glands. Connect a ground cable to the PE point. Connect the AC output power cable. AC output power cable. Tighten the cable gland.